have here my brown color of yarn. Make your magic circle. I'm going to use my 4mm crochet hook. Then make a chain of 3, lock in your magic circle and chain of 3. Our chain 3 will count as our first double crochet, and make 4 more double crochets on the circle for a total of 5 double crochets. So once you have your 5 double crochets, we are ready to fasten off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fasten off and cut our yarn. So for the petals, we're going to take our yellow. We are going to attach not on the space, but on the chain. You can attach your yarn whichever way you prefer. So for me, I'm just going to make a simple simple knot. Insert our hook on that chain, not on the space. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to start working on the spaces between the double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over and insert your hook on that space between those 2 double crochets and make your first cluster. 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 1, yarn over and insert again in between those 2 double crochets and make your second cluster. Chain 1, again repeat on the next cluster. So I have made 4 clusters and I need to make another double crochet to mirror this side. So chain 1 and we can move a little this last cluster, and we're going to insert our hook on the chain and make 1 double crochet. And now we are ready to cut our yarn. To finish off, we're going to take our green color, and this time we're going to start on this space between this chain 3 and the cluster. Chain 3. Our chain 3 will count as a stitch and make 2 more double crochets. On the next chain 1 space, we're going to do 3 more double crochets. On the next chain 1 space, we're going to do our corner. Three double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets on the same space. On the next chain 1 space, we're going to make 3 double crochets only. This will form as the side of our triangle. And the last part will be in between this double crochet and the last cluster. And now you're ready to cut your yarn. So now we have made our triangle. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again soon on my next video. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.